show you how do I earn over $11,000 with this YouTube channel and how you can actually copy my strategy if you are thinking about creating a YouTube channel. Maybe you already have a YouTube channel, but it's not monetized with Google AdSense. Well, I'm going to show you how you can actually monetize a small YouTube channel, what I'm actually doing, so you can replicate it. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you my strategy of how do I actually earn over $11,000 in just a matter of few days with this YouTube channel. As a matter of fact, before this channel hits 5,000 subscribers, I was already earning $5,000 per month. Okay, so take that into consideration because sometimes there are just things that you just don't know that you don't know. And that's the reason why you are not monetizing. I know because it happens to me when I get started with YouTube. I was just thinking about monetize with Google AdSense or with YouTube AdSense. That's what's my thing. It was like when I get 1,000 subscribers and I think it's 4,000 hours of watch time. I'm not 100% sure if that already changed because a lot of things have been changed in the past few years. That sounds like a lot when you're getting started. So I was looking for an alternative, and this is how I actually find this one. Okay, so let me share with you my screen because, as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to start earning money with a small YouTube channel. Actually, how I was able to make $11,216 in a matter of days so you can replicate my strategy, and you can start earning your first dollars online. Why not? Okay, so first of all, right now chances are that you are already getting some views. Maybe you already have a YouTube channel, but you are not monetized, as I mentioned before, but you're getting some views. Maybe you're getting three, maybe you're getting 10 per view per video on average. Maybe you're already getting 1,000, 3,000, give or take. Okay, so how we can get those views because they are valuable. That means that people are interested on your topic, but YouTube is not already paying you with ads. But people are connected with your content. And one really nice thing about YouTube, and this is why I love this traffic, is the fact that this is warm traffic. Okay, people are actually looking for information. They click on your video. So if you mention something and that actually makes sense, they're gonna take an action. Okay, so now there are these things that you actually need. Okay, there are these things that you actually need. The very first one is that you need a product, and don't worry, you don't need to create a product, but you are going to be promoting a product because people are already interested in what you have to offer. Okay, when I listened to this the very first time, I was like, okay, but what if I'm not promoting physical products that are listed on Amazon? Because I know that I can promote products that are listed on Amazon, but the commission is super slow. So that's the reason why we're not going to be promoting those products. Okay, so there are things that we call marketplaces in which there are a lot of companies who are giving off the opportunity to promote their products in exchange of a commission. Okay, where are these marketplaces that are? Give me, Diana, give me some examples. Okay, there is this one which is called ClickBank. ClickBank is the oldest one. If you want to join, you can click here where it says start here, or you can actually go here where it says affiliates, start here. Okay, affiliates start here. As you can see, ClickBank has been around for quite some time. They already have over 100,000 active affiliate. They have already paid over $7.1 billion in commissions. They partner with a lot of companies. They have been online for more than 27 years. Okay, so you can get more information about them. Okay, people for over 190 countries work with ClickBank. Diana, what if I cannot use ClickBank for whatever reason? This is not the only marketplace. So you can go, for example, to JBSU. Literally, if you're more into softwares, I will go with JBSU. Okay, here you're gonna have the opportunity to promote digital products. If you go to ClickBank, you're gonna have the opportunity to promote physical and digital products as well. But here on JBSU, as I mentioned, you have no product, no problem. Start earning today by just by sharing links. Top converting offers are ready to go. There is zero setup, real commissions, and no gatekeeping. You can open your free account here, okay? And as you can see, they do have several payment methods, okay? They do have several payment methods. So you are gonna have the opportunity to promote uh, their products. Okay, so as you can see here, some top earners, some top affiliates. Okay, and you can actually be one of them. So this is another option. So you can see that they do have, they said like they do have over 1 million promoters, which is affiliates. They already pay over $4 billion in sales. Another option, it's called Cope Card. Okay, I actually use Cope Card US. I think there is also no Cope Card Europe. The only one that I know and I use it's Cope Card US. So you can actually open your account here as an affiliate, and you are gonna have the opportunity to find different products that you can promote. Okay, so this is actually another marketplace, and there is one that is actually I don't think it's that popular, but it do have something really cool with different brands. It's called Impact. Impact has been around also for some time right now, and here they call affiliate the publishers. Okay, you're gonna see here publishers. Here we have affiliates. So that's what you're gonna be called if you go with Impact. You're gonna be here in publisher, and they have the opportunity or they actually give us the opportunity to partner with different companies and we can promote their products as well. Okay, so you're gonna have the opportunity to go with this route. They actually partner with popular companies like Nike. Okay, so take that into consideration. Is that your mood, your thing? Diana, do I need to choose one, just one marketplace? No, you can promote products from as many marketplaces as you want, and actually you can promote as many products as you want, but I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. So now, you already have a product that you are going to be promoting. You're going to be talking about one specific product, and I'm going to show you how you can actually promote more than one product. So for that, we need a system. Okay, that's what we need. We need a two-page system that you don't need to have like any kind of coding skill, any kind of design skill, any kind of be like a web developer. Literally, it's going to be a two-page system, and it's going to be looking like something like this. Okay, so you're gonna have the page in which you're gonna give something away for free. This is called a freebie or a lead magnet. It can be a checklist, it can be a cheat sheet, it can be a PDF, it can be a small video. Okay, you can right now use literally like tools or AI like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Claude, and tell them like, hey, this is a product that I want to promote. Can you give me some ideas or fleet magnets that I can develop? I want something super and easy. And they're going to give you a list of ideas. Okay. And you can actually build it literally in no time. Do not overcomplicate things. This is not something that needs to be like 50 pages, 100 pages. Maybe it's going to be just a five, a, like a PDF with 5 pages or 10 pages, and that's it. Then you're gonna go with what we call a bridge page. Okay, here on a bridge page, you are gonna introduce the product. Since you are doing YouTube videos, it is actually cool if you can do a video. You don't have to show your face, but you can talk about the product that you're gonna be introducing, and here then you are gonna put your affiliate link. With this system in place, And something really important, this is how I was actually able to replace not one but two full-time jobs, because I had, and since today I do have a system that is actually working for me 24/7. Okay? So by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So with the system, the cool thing is that you can actually create an email, okay, or a group of emails, and you can promote these exact same offers. So if the person did not make the purchase right away for whatever reason, you can keep sending them information until they make the purchase. If they already make the purchase or they are not interested in the product, you can promote other products and other services. This is what I told you, that you can actually choose as many products and as many services as you actually want. Because with the power of your email list, you can promote multiple products. Okay? So take that into consideration. How you can actually build this? Okay, there is a tool that I use that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. I'm leaving actually a link below so you can open a free account. Yeah, you hear it right. It's a free account. It's not a free trial. Literally, you're gonna have the opportunity to open your account and build this without any kind of technical skills. By the way, their support is really amazing. So in case that you need some kind of help, eh, they are actually really great. And the fact that you're gonna have the opportunity to have a free account, okay, it give you cool things. Okay, so take that into consideration. Now, the another thing that we need, it's traffic. But you're already getting traffic. Remember what I told you before, that right now you're getting the views. Okay, that's the traffic. So you're getting people who are interested. And the cool thing is that if you want to scale this, the only thing that you need to do is that you need to create more videos. Maybe right now you're creating just one video per week. But if you decide to double that and go with two videos per week, you're going to be getting, you're going to double your traffic. Okay? So take that into consideration. You are going to be building your system once, and it's literally going to be working for you 24/7, because here you can add more emails. Okay, but you don't need to build a system again. You just need to add the emails, and you're going to have the opportunity to have maybe 365 uh, emails with information. Okay, so actually this is actually really cool, really nice way in which you can actually earn money while already monetizing the traffic that you have with YouTube. As I mentioned before my channel have 5,000 subscribers, I was earning over $5,000 per month. Not because of the Google AdSense. I'm actually really happy with it, but I know that take time, and I know that you have, if you're really happy and a lot of things to celebrate whenever you get your first dollars online. And this is actually a great way in which you can actually monetize your YouTube videos while you are actually growing your audience. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and remember, if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description.